Hello everyone, and welcome back to another story time. I'm so glad you're here. Today we are reading this book. So grab your favorite snacks and a fuzzy blanket and let's read along together. Early Bird, written by Toni Yuly. Early Bird likes to wake up early. She stands as tall as she can, takes a deep breath of fresh morning air, and then Early Bird gets going. I wonder where she's off to. Do you have any ideas? Let's turn the page and find out. Across the grass, through the flower bed, under the spider web, up the path, around the corner, and over the cat. I think the little kitty is just waking up for the morning. I wonder where Early Bird is going. Let's turn the page and find out. Finally, Early Bird reaches the garden, where she finds the early worm. Oh, isn't he so cute? Let's turn the page and find out what happens next. Uh-oh, Early Bird is hungry after her long journey. So, she lays the early worm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. I wonder, do you think Early Bird and the early worm are going to share breakfast together? Let's turn the page. Oh, it looks like they do. And together they share an early breakfast. Oh, that is so nice. The end. Thank you so much for reading along with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, stay warm and have fun. Bye-bye.